Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sartorial Wealth channel. My name is Shiraz Ahmed and today we're going to be diving into a quick financial recap for July of 2024, covering everything from interest rates to the stock market, housing and gold, and a little bit of the US presidential election news. So let's get into it. Okay, to start off with interest rates, the Bank of Canada made headlines by cutting its key interest rate for the second time, bringing it down to 4.5%. Now, this move comes as inflation is showing signs of easing, dropping to 2.7% in June. Now, the Bank of Canada's Governor, Tiff Macklem, has indicated that further cuts could be on the table if inflation continues to trend downward. This decision is part of a broader strategy to manage economic conditions and provide relief to consumers, particularly in areas like mortgage payments and, of course, credit card interest rates. Meanwhile, the U.S. Federal Reserve opted to keep its rates steady in July. A potential rate cut could be on the horizon in September, as they are closely monitoring economic indicators such as unemployment and consumer spending. Now on to the stock market. July was a tough month for the S&P 500, which saw its worst performance in a decade. The index struggled as investors began to shift from large cap tech stocks to value and small cap stocks, a trend some are calling the Great Rotation. This shift caused notable declines in sectors like communication services and information technology. Analysts are split on what this means for the market's future, with some predicting further declines while others remain cautiously optimistic. Historically, the S&P 500 tends to experience about a 2% decline in September following a weak July. So investors are keeping a close eye on upcoming months. The housing market showed mixed signals in July. In Calgary, home sales dropped by about 10% compared to last year, yet prices rose nearly 8%, reaching a benchmark of $606,700. The increase in inventory levels, particularly in higher price ranges, is helping to stabilize the market. On a national level, the US saw its first seasonal price decline in July, with the median home price falling to $439,950. This marks a shift towards a more balanced market as inventory levels rise and homes linger longer on the market. This is good news for buyers as the market begins to normalize, offering more opportunities and less competition. On to the gold market. In gold, we saw in Q2 2024 a record for global demand reaching 1,258 tons. This is largely driven by strong over-the-counter investment and continued central bank purchases. However, excluding the OTC investment, demand actually fell by 6% year over year, mainly due to a significant 19% drop in jewelry consumption. Despite this, gold prices hit a new high, averaging $2,338 per ounce. The technology sector's demand for gold also saw an increase, contributing to the overall strong performance of the market. All right, now finally turning to the US presidential election. July was a major fundraising month for the candidates. Kamala Harris's campaign reported raising a staggering $310 million, more than double what Donald Trump's campaign brought in. Now, notably, 2/3 of Harris's donation came from first-time donors, signaling strong support and really grassroots support. Both campaigns are gearing up for the final stretch and with significant ad buys and campaign events planned for the coming months. Remember, the content of this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered to be financial or investment advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The information provided is based on current market trends and conditions which could change. We do not endorse any specific investments or political views for that matter. All right, now that's a wrap for July 2024 financial recap. From interest rates to market shifts and election updates, it's clear that we're in for a dynamic and rapidly changing economic environment. Now, as always, stay informed, stay prepared, and keep an eye on trends as we move forward. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be updated the next time I upload a video. So until next time, please stay safe out there. Bye for now.